Sendiio 2.0 is the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with zero monthly fees. For far too long, marketers have been debating if email marketing works best, or does text message marketing work best, or is it FB Messenger marketing? Truth is, they all work. They're all extremely profitable, and the fact is your target customers are using all three platforms. So why neglect one marketing channel over another? Why not instead use a platform that combines all three of these extremely profitable marketing channels under one central dashboard and blow the lid off of your profit? Well, Sendiio 2.0 allows you to do just that. It allows you to easily profit from email marketing, text message marketing, and FB Messenger. Combined email, text, and FB Messenger under one dashboard and made it as simple as following three simple steps. Step 1. Import your lists and create your campaign. Step 2. Send or schedule your campaigns. Step 3. Generate massive profits from the three most profitable marketing platforms. Feature 1. Create and send unlimited text message campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Import unlimited phone numbers within seconds. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your phone numbers list even further. Create unlimited phone lists. Create unlimited follow-up sequence campaigns. Fully flexible scheduling system for your text campaigns. Fully flexible scheduling system for your SMS follow-up sequences. Full click stats on your text campaigns. Create unlimited one-time broadcasts campaigns. Send unlimited texts without any monthly fees by simply connecting to your Twilio account. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your text message campaigns in lightning speed. Feature 2. Create and send unlimited Facebook Messenger campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Easily connect unlimited fan pages in a matter of seconds. Easily create unlimited follow-up Facebook Messenger sequences. Capture unlimited Facebook Messenger subscribers. Fully flexible scheduling system for your FB Messenger follow-up sequences. Set up an automatic welcome message for every new Messenger subscriber. Set up unlimited keyword-based chatbot replies. Set up unlimited keyword-based comment replies. Easily create unlimited one-time Messenger broadcast messages. Fully flexible scheduling system for your FB Messenger campaigns. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up all your FB Messenger campaigns. Feature 3. Create and send unlimited email campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Import unlimited email contacts without having to go through a verification process. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your list even further. Create unlimited follow-up sequence campaigns. Create unlimited email lists. Create unlimited one-time broadcasts campaigns. Fully flexible scheduling system for your follow-up sequences. Connect to any premium SMTP providers in minutes. View in-depth stats for all your email campaigns. Easily skyrocket your profit by resending your email campaigns based on your subscribers' activity. Connect unlimited domain names. Send unlimited emails without any monthly fees by simply connecting to your SMTP. Fully flexible scheduling system for your broadcasts. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your Sendiio account in lightning speed.